I'm at a loss. I got 3 trophies. I got one more. I know we're going to win that. I'm going to get back to the first time. Turn that shit in. Turn that motherfucker wide. That's all he did. He probably didn't fix the fucking thing. No, he didn't. Taxpayers definitely paid for the shit. That nigga whacked you right now. It's dead. Paper mount. Real nigga shit, man. MAPTV, welcome to the motherfucking city, man.
All right. You cool? You cool, go ahead. You cool?
That's nice, too.
What you think about that one right there?
See, this motherfucker right here remind me of a sour apple.
Sour apple.
I mean,
green. That's really 4 too, right?
Yeah. This motherfucker.
Well, let's say on that. This motherfucker got the buttons. Hit his bitch. Drop. That motherfucker is ignorant. Dumb, stupid. It's like some that's like some ill will shit. Like it's some ill will shit.
Can I get y'all over here?
Yes, sir.
Let me get y'all over here, man. I don't know if y'all know the Coast to Coast DJs.
Coast to Coast DJs.
I don't know if y'all know the Coast to Coast DJs. DJ KC and DJ B, right? Then you got their right hand man, DJ such and such.
DJ such and such holding it down.
Renzo Charles in the background.
AKA DJ Scratch and Smith.
Well, what I want to show you is something crazy. This motherfucker right here, lemon meringue pie is what comes to mind. I'm just saying. Now follow me. Come on. Come on, man. Come on. I mean, start right here where Renzo's at, and just slowly come in and just scan all of this beauty right there. Oh, God damn. Oh, God damn. Oh, God damn. I could sell this motherfucker right now if you want to get rid of it. But this